Hi, everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to claim credentials for a course module. When you complete an assignment and that assignment is approved, you can claim those credentials. Credentials can then be used to join projects. So I'm going to show you how to do that from the point of view of the learner. I'm in the web development crash course. The first module is Introduction to HTML. And the assignment was to build a web page. And here's my assignment submission, pending approval. Let's go to the dashboard. You can see my status is updated to complete, which means my assignment has been approved by the course creator. I can now unenroll from this course to get my credentials. There are no projects that use this course as a prerequisite, so I'm not immediately qualified to join any projects. For now, we're just going to show you how to get those credentials. So just a quick summary. I submitted my assignment for module 101 of the web development crash course. That assignment was approved by the course creator. Now I'm able to claim credentials. I go to the course, click View Summary and Unenroll, and complete the course to claim. And I'm completing the course here. I'm going to sign this transaction. Now I have those credentials on my token. If I hadn't claimed them before, I get this pop-up that tells me that I can go claim my credentials. This pops up automatically once the system detects an approved assignment. I'm not going to go to the course because I already claimed those credentials. I'll show you in a video how those credentials, once we link this course as a prerequisite to join a project, how we can use those credentials to join the project and submit a task and get rewards. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.